Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Java programming playlist. In this video we are going to see the streams in Java programming. So let us start first introducing what is streams in Java. Here let us see the definition of streams. A stream is a sequence of data. In Java, a stream is composed of bytes. In Java, 3 streams are created for us automatically. So there are 3 stream classes which are by default available in Java. First is system.out, which is the standard output stream. So using this you can do the output from the Java program. Second is system.in, which is the standard input stream. So you can take input from the external devices into the Java program. And third is the standard error stream, that is system.err. Now let us see what are the different types of stream. Basically there are 2 types of stream in Java programming. First is a byte stream, which has 2 basic types. First is the input stream and the output stream. Second is the character stream, which are having the classes, abstract classes of reader and writer. In this video we are going to see what is the byte stream and what are the different classes in the input stream and what are the different classes in the output stream. In the next video we will see the character stream. Let us look at the byte stream. In Java, byte stream are used to perform input and output of 8 bits, that is 1 byte at a time from a binary file. Input stream and output stream class are most common used classes of the byte stream. Let us now list down the byte stream input stream classes, the byte input stream classes. So there are several byte input stream classes. Let us first see the list and then we will see the description of these classes one at a time. First is file input stream, sequence input stream, piped input stream, object input stream, byte array input stream, string buffer input stream and filter input stream. Now filters input stream also have 3 classes which extends this filter input stream, that also we will see. Now each of this input stream has some specifications, some use in the Java programming. Now let us start understanding the input stream classes of byte stream one at a time. So this is the hierarchical structure of input stream. So it is having many input stream classes like file input stream, filter input stream, byte array input stream, sequence input stream, piped input stream, and filter input stream is having 3 classes extending it, that is buffered input stream, data input stream and pushback input stream. Of this first class in the byte input stream classes is file input stream. The file input stream is an input stream class that reads from the file. So whenever you want to read from a file, then you make use of the file input stream class. Second is the sequence input stream. This input stream that is used to combine 2 or more input stream. Now if you are having a program in which you are reading from more than one input stream, then you make use of sequence input stream. Then you have piped input stream. This input stream class is used to read from the pipe. Now pipe is nothing but basically a buffer that is available in the network when there is a continuous streaming. So pipe is something which we are having a continuous streaming. Then you have object input stream. It is used to read an object from the input stream. So if you are transferring an object as a whole, then you make use of object input stream. Byte array input stream is used to read a byte array from the input stream. String buffer input stream is used to read a string buffer object. So we have already seen what is a string class and string buffer class, and we know the advantages of using string buffer class over the string class. And if you are transferring a string buffer class object over the input stream and you want to read it at the receiver's end, then we can make use of string buffer input stream class. The next we have is the filter input stream. Now filter input stream, an instance of this class, contains some other input stream as a basic source of data for further manipulation. There are three types of filter input stream that we can see from the diagram. First is the buffered input stream. It provides the buffer facility to the input stream. So if we know that there is some fluctuation in the network during the transfer of the data, then we can make use of this buffered input stream so that the data which is coming from the sender can be buffered to some extent, or to the extent which is required, and then we can use it to process it. Then we have next is the data input stream, used to read primitive data type from the input stream. So data input stream is used when you are transferring the primitive data types, that is integer, float, double and so on. Pushback input stream, it provides unreading facility of the input stream. So if you want that if some data is read but you want to mark it as unread so that you can read it again in the future if that is the need, then we can use the pushback input stream. Let us look at the file input stream in bit detail right now. File input stream is used for reading data from the file that we have seen in the description. While using the file input stream class, file must already exist. If file does not exist, it will generate an error. So if we are trying to read it from a file and if that file does not exist, then it will generate an error. There are two ways of using the file input stream. File input stream FIN. So this is an object we are creating a file input stream, which is equal to new file input stream. We are calling the constructor, and in this we are passing the string which is the path where the file exists. So here it is assumed that there is a file with the name hello.txt which exists in the path C:, that is C drive Java folder, and in that we have this file hello.txt. So here we are directly path is specified while creating the file input stream object. So we are directly giving the path. But there is a second way of writing a file input string object. First we create an object of file class, that is file f equal to new file, and here we give the path of the file. Then we have file input stream object fin is equal to new file input stream and the object of the file class. So this can help us in writing this file input stream in two steps, so that here we can do some changes if required. Now next we have to see the output stream. The output stream will only create a file if it does not exist before opening it for the output. So if the file exists, then it will open directly for writing it into the file, but if the file does not exist, then it will create a new file. Now output stream, there are these classes and for the output stream in Java, that is file output stream, filter output stream, byte array output stream, string buffer output stream and piped output stream. In filter output stream we have buffered output stream, data output stream, and print output stream. Sorry, print stream. File output stream, piped output stream, object output stream, byte array output stream, filter output stream. In that filter we have buffered, data, and print stream. So let us see the description of each of this output stream one by one. File output stream is used to write data into a file. Just as file input stream is to read from a file, now output stream or file output stream is to write to a file. Piped output stream is used to write data to a pipe. So here we have the continuous flow of data. Object output stream is used to write an object to an output stream. Then byte array output stream is to write a data into a byte array so that you can send a bulk of data in the byte array. Filter output stream, in that first we have the buffered output stream, so it provides the buffer facility to the output stream, so we can buffer the data before sending it to the output stream. So if there is a difference in the processing speed and the transfer speed, then we can use this buffer facility. Next is the data output stream, used to write primitive data to the output stream. Just as data input stream we read primitive data, here we write the primitive data. Then print stream is used to print any data on the output stream. So this print stream is majorly useful where you want to give the print instruction to the either to some printer or something of that sort, some device of that sort. So let us see an example of file output stream. File output stream is used to create a file and write data into it if that file does not exist. But if that file exists, then it will not create, but it will open it for writing data into it. There are two ways to use the file with the file output stream, just similar to file input stream. The first way is we write here file output stream fout is equal to new file output stream c:/java/hello.txt. So here what we are interested is to write the content into the hello.txt, which is available at this path. Here directly file path is specified while creating the file output stream. Then second way is file f is equal to new file and then the path name where the file exists, and then we write file output stream fout is equal to new file output stream f is the object of the file class. Now this is just similar to file input stream where we have two ways. Here also we have the two ways of creating output stream. In the second method, first the object of the file is created and then the file object is passed to the file output stream as an argument. So I hope it is very much clear, my dear friends, that we have seen what is a stream class and the types of stream class, that is byte stream and character stream, and we have seen the detail of byte stream class, which there are two types, input stream and output stream. In the next video we are going to see the character stream class, and then we will see the comparison of the byte stream and character stream. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos on Java programming.